Hey, hello, fifth grade. So the first thing you're going to do is this week 26 quiz. It'll post underneath here or it'll be in assignments. So please do that first, and then you're going to head over to typing.com. Nothing special today. This is just our week to do lessons. So make sure that you log in as a student with Microsoft. You'll do somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes of lessons. You may also do games, and you may also do tests to see where you're at. Okay, let's look at the next thing. So when the teacher rings the bell, the next thing you're going to do is vocabulary, which is in Clever. There's a code, WFXW9M. I don't think capitals matter. It's on coding events. So it kind of continues our learning of coding, which we were doing last week. So let's go ahead and go into Clever and take a look at where that is, and then talk about it. So vocabulary is right there. When you get in, you will see that you're logged in, but you do not have me as a class. So you'll go to your name and you'll go to My Classes. You will not see mine listed here. What you'll see is probably last year. You need to go all the way to the bottom, and this is where you have to play imagination, and click where it says Join Class, and then put that code in. It should be written for you, and it's inside Teams. Okay? So once you do that, then you would click on Assignments, and then the one we're doing is in there. There will be 4 sections you have to do that have orange dots next to them. You need to do all 4. So that's our main thing today. When you're done with vocabulary, you can go and save a couple pictures of your state. I put about 5 in there. So let me just talk about how you would do that and make sure we save it the right way. So I'm doing Illinois, whatever we did on that Canva website. And so if I look up Illinois, and then I look up images. If I take, and I'm getting the college right now, but I'm going to need to type, this is a good example, Illinois state. And I am going to look for images about the state or state of Illinois. And when I go to the images there, then I can find a picture from here. Let's say I want to save this one. I'm going to do Windows, Shift and S. I am going to capture it. And then you'll see a pop-up, and then you can click on the little save button towards the top right corner. So I would try to do that, look up at least 4 or 5 different photos and try to save them to your computer for future use. Then you have some choices, okay? So it's going to be Mission US, Engineering Games, or Scratch Explore. You could do any of those for the remainder of our time today, okay? Let's take a look at engineering because we haven't done that in a while, or I'm not even sure if we've done it yet this year. So you want to go to the STEM games, and then you'll see them down below the popular games, okay? There's a lot of good ones in there. And all of them should work pretty well for you. Okay? So do something a little bit different for done activities today. Have a good one.